Hello, I'm Shubhangi Gupta from Indian Institute of Technology BHU Varanasi. This video is a brief introduction to the project PRUSS support for the newer kernels. The project is a part of Google Summer of Code 2015 under the organization beagleboard.org, and it is mentored by Pentelis Antonio Hanuvio and Kumar Abhishek. So what is the PRUSS and why it needs support? The PRUSS, or the Programmable Real-Time Unit Subsystem, is a part of AM335X processor found on the BeagleBone Black. The PRUSS has a 232-bit RISC processor which run independent of the ARM core. With the clock source of 200 MHz and direct access to all onboard peripherals and memory, it is well suited for real-time applications such as driving CNC machines, 3D printers, data acquisition system, DMX lighting, etc. As of now, setting up the development environment, programming and configuring the PRU codes, data communication and managing interrupt is distributed over different available libraries and modules, but sometimes with a very little documentation. So this makes it very difficult for the new users to begin with the PRU, and its potential is not realized to the fullest extent. So the framework developed by this project will try to overcome this roadblock. So what are the project objectives? This project basically aims to close the gap between ARM and PRU subsystem by providing the end user with the tools to quickly deploy PRU application and manage data exchange seamlessly. Thus, a lightweight PRU management and message passing framework will develop, which will allow users to focus on the PRU code development. And this will be accomplished by the following project components. Firstly, user space library like JavaScript, Python, or any other high level language which interacts with the kernel module which handles the PRU core, PRUC library which provides message passing and other essential features to the PRU code developers. This diagram explains the framework architecture. The module exposes the surface entries to the user space. A library in any other high-level language would be just wrapped around these CSFS files. Module will manage PRU data RAM and shared RAM as circular queues following virtual model. The module works alongside Linux Remote Proc framework. Remote Proc is a generic framework to handle processors in asymmetric multiprocessor systems, which uh, which is becoming very common these days. More information on the remote proc can be found on Linux documentation. On the left hand side, the program shows how the user space program will look once this project is completed. It initializes the PRU and configures the interrupt controller. The firmware is loaded, followed by writing data to the data RAM. The program waits for the interrupt from PRU, prints data to the console, and then exits. Now on the right hand side, this program shows how the Python wrapper will look like. All function of blip PRUSS drive, which is the current user space driver to handle PRU, will be ported over to this framework. This briefly depicts the important milestone during the project duration. A more detailed timeline can be found on project page on my launch. Before the coding period, I learned the kernel coding guidelines and working details of the remote proc. 25th May onwards, work will begin on the kernel module. I expect it to finish by 4th week, followed by the writing libraries for the user space and PRU. By 8th week, the framework will be in place, and I'll write example applications to find and fix major bugs. Later, PRU Speak, a project from the last year GSOC, will be ported over to make use of this new framework. Lastly, code will be prepared for the final submission. For any queries or suggestions, you can find me on Beagle GSOC IRC channel. All code will be pushed to GIT, and weekly progress report can be found on Hackaday project page. All relevant links are posted onto the eLinux wiki page. Thanks for watching.